This is seriously the brightest 2x1 LED light I've ever seen in my life. This is the Godox KNOWLED P1200R Hard Pro.
You're watching CineD, supported by B&H and CVP.
Hi, I'm Nino from CineD here at IBC 2024 at the Godox booth with Lester. How are you?
Hello, good. How are you?
Very good indeed. You guys, or as always, released a couple new products. We're going to talk about one of them today. This is a difficult name for me to say, the KNOWLED P1200R Hard Pro. Wow, I managed. So what's new about this light? What's special?
It's a very powerful panel light where other lights are 600, 800 watt. This is 1200 watt output. The R stands for RGB, so it has RGB and bicolor. It's IP54 weather resistant, so very durable, very high build quality. You can dim it down to 0.1%.
Which is it now actually. That's very nice because that's one of the problems with a lot of lights, that when you turn them, LED lights especially, when you turn them to 0.1%, they are still actually much brighter than that, but this looks very dimmed, yeah.
So that on the one side, and on the other side it's flicker free. So for slow motion, it's always, you can also use it for that. And of course it got all the connectivities like DMX, CRMX, ArtNet, Bluetooth. You can use it with the app, with the controller, with everything. Yeah.
Okay, very cool. So 1200 watts. So this diffusion here, is it fixed? Or can you change it?
You can take it out. There are little switches on the top. You can slide them backwards and you can take the diffusion panel out. And there's a very wide ecosystem with all kind of softboxes and diffusers. So
1200 watt is a lot of power for a panel light, so I guess it's probably not possible to power it with batteries, right?
no, not with batteries.
Why haven't we seen panel lights with that much output yet? I mean, wasn't there the demand for it, or was the technology not there yet to deliver this?
Like the demand's always to go brighter, but you just have the technical ability to make it. And Godox is now on to par with KNOWLED because we got the 600 and we want to get one step ahead. So it's possible, but yeah, you just have to make it.
What are the typical applications? Like, who needs a 1200 watt 2x1?
I think it's a powerful tool and a creative tool because you got all the colors and the output. So you can use it for anything, for fiction, documentary, for interviews, but also like if you want to have it to a window from a long distance. So the more power, the better, because you can use it for anything. Like a weaker light you cannot use for everything, but this you can use for everything.
What are the TLCI ratings and other light meter ratings on this light?
That's not available right now, those information, but it will be very high.
Okay, so this is still a prototype, pre-production model.
Well, it's announced right now, but all the specs are not available. But you can assume with all the new Godox KNOWLED lights, it will be very high.
What modifiers are actually available specifically?
Well, it's with the same system as the previous light. So you have a softbox, you have with the grid. There's a whole ecosystem, and you can look it up. There are a lot of options.
Okay, great. What about pricing and availability? You said this is not ready in market yet, but when will it be?
It will be available at the end of the year, and the market price will be $6,349.
Okay, great. Thank you, Lester.
Thank you.
Have a good rest of the show, and thanks everybody for watching. Stay tuned to CineD for a lot more from IBC 2024, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.